Manufacturers today have an incredible opportunity. This topic of the industrial Internet of Things is very big, but at the end of the day, if you distill it down, there are some very simple things and actions that companies can take. In the partnership that we have with GE, we describe this as get connected. And it's really about simply connecting the assets and equipment that are on the shop floor, the gateways, to get real-time visibility to what's happening. We have learned and we've proven through experience with customers that that relatively simple step can generate immense short-term value and really give customers the insight to understand where they should be taking their program and what opportunities might exist that they weren't even aware of. One of the challenges that companies face anytime sort of transformational technology enters is typically it doesn't plug right into the existing structures that exist within a company. And so I think one of the challenges that our customers, that manufacturing companies need to overcome, is to think about how they drive governance and ownership to take advantage of this phenomenon we're calling the industrial Internet of Things and organizationally implement that throughout their organization. So I think the big challenge here is thinking about the people and the process and the technology and making sure they've got the right ownership and organizational structures to take advantage of that. For many manufacturing companies, they are a little overwhelmed by this topic and perhaps don't feel that they're ready to take advantage of it. That said, factories today are filled with a lot of connectivity, and there's a lot of short-term opportunity to extend that connectivity to provide real and immediate value. So while I think they may not feel ready to act, what we have experienced, and this is true with our partnership with GE and the rollout that we're doing of GE's factories, is that even though it may not appear they're ready to charge out of the gate, there's actually a relatively short period and time frame of which they can add some additional capabilities and start to get real value. The things that I've most enjoyed about Smart Industry 2015 is really the opportunity to blend people who are thinking about leading edge technology and what that can help do to transform businesses and their opportunities with sort of the practitioners and the real life situation that and environments that companies are faced with. And I think this gives both those of us who are on the side of developing the technology an opportunity to really understand and appreciate how that technology gets to be applied within a manufacturer's environment. And I think it gives the manufacturing companies the incredible lift to really understand what the potential is in this wonderful journey that we're all on. So I like the collaboration that kind of goes back and forth between the technologists and the practitioners.